opening of a new mall, Dream Bazaar in Karachi on Friday was meant to be a grand affair, but it quickly spiraled into chaos. The day that started with the promise of items as low as 50 Pakistani rupees ended with violence and vandalism. Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Devdatta, and in what is trending in Pakistan, we discuss why a thrift store's marketing campaign went horribly wrong in the country. Promoted aggressively on social media as Pakistan's first mega thrift store, the event promised unbeatable prices on clothing, accessories and homeware. As thousands of people gathered outside the mall, management then struggled to control the swelling crowd. When they attempted to close the door to manage the situation, baton-wielding individuals forcibly broke through the glass entrance, and the situation became so dire that the city traffic came to a standstill, with visuals showing thousands stranded outside the mall. Eyewitnesses also reported extensive damage to the property, and some alleged that there was no police presence, while others said that police were hitting bystanders. Amid the vandalism, people made videos of themselves stealing clothes. Another eyewitness said that all of this happened within half an hour. They opened at 3 p.m. and by 3:30 p.m. it had been wiped clean. Reportedly built by a Pakistani origin man living abroad, the vandalism has left the employees of the mall devastated. One employee told a local reporter that we brought this for the benefit of the people of Karachi, but instead of a smooth opening, we faced chaos. Very few investments happen in Karachi, and when they do, this is the result. Now, Pakistanis on social media were both critical and cynical. One social media user wrote that if only people came out in these numbers to fight for their rights, the future of this country would be brighter. But instead, they prioritize a shirt for rupees 50. The incident underscores the deep economic struggles faced by the people of Karachi. With the federal government slashing the budget for development projects and inflation still making life difficult for the average citizen, the desperation for affordable goods is palpable. On the day of the opening, it was also reported that Pakistan's debt had soared to $254 billion, which is equal to 71 trillion Pakistani rupees as of June 2024. The federal government disclosed these figures to the National Assembly, revealing the nation's increasing financial woes. Now, despite a slight improvement in foreign exchange reserves and a stabilized rupee, the public continues to suffer from high energy costs, housing rent and threat of rising inflation. This is Devdatta for The Print. Keep watching for more such videos.